Hi, we've recently received this beautiful European antique cello into our workshop, which needed to be fully restored. But before we did this, we filmed the cello so we could have a before and after comparison. So let's go back in time and have a listen to the cello before our workshop restored it. So that's what it sounded like back then. Since then, our luthier Brenton has fully restored the cello, including all necessary adjustments plus added new fittings. This has significantly improved the playability of the instrument. Let's have a listen to how it sounds. So there you go. Did you hear a difference?